step outside at night and look up at the stars, you probably think you're seeing the universe as it is right now. But here's the unsettling truth. The night sky you see is a lie. Every single star, every glimmer, every twinkle is a ghost, a message from the past. And some of those stars don't even exist anymore. Light is fast, unimaginably fast. It can travel around the Earth 7 times in a single second. But space is bigger than you can imagine. So big that even light takes time to cross it. When you look at the moon, you're not seeing it as it is right now. You're seeing it as it was 1.3 seconds ago. That's how long its light takes to reach you. The sun, you're seeing it 8 minutes and 20 seconds in the past. If it suddenly vanished right now, you wouldn't know until almost 9 minutes later. But stars? That's where things get strange. Some of the stars in our night sky are dozens, hundreds, even thousands of light years away. That means when you see their light, you're looking back in time, by centuries or millennia. A star 1,000 light years away. That's ancient history in your eyes. You're seeing the light it shined before the Roman Empire fell, before the pyramids were built, before human civilization even began in some cases. And here's the most mind-twisting part. Some of those stars are already dead. They went supernova thousands of years ago, and yet their light is still traveling toward us, still painting a false image in our sky. It's like looking at a photograph of someone who passed away long ago, but the picture is so bright, so vivid, you almost believe they're still alive. The night sky is a cosmic time machine. When you gaze at Orion, at the Pleiades, at the glow of the Milky Way, you're not looking at now. You're looking at a stitched-together tapestry of different moments in history, all playing at once. Our sky is not the present. It's a patchwork of ancient postcards sent across light years, arriving on Earth long after the events have passed. And the farther you look, the older the universe gets. The Andromeda Galaxy, the closest spiral galaxy to us, is 2.5 million light-years away. That means the light hitting your eyes tonight left that galaxy before humans even existed. You are literally seeing a galaxy as it was before humanity. And astronomers with giant telescopes? They can look billions of light-years away and see light that started its journey when the universe was still young, when the first galaxies were just beginning to form. Think about this. The now of the universe is unreachable to us. Everything we see is the past. Even the people around you, the light reflecting off their face takes a fraction of a second to reach you. You never truly see anything as it is, only as it was. But here's the part that makes your brain twist into knots. If all we ever see is the past, then the real present, the actual now of the universe, is hidden from us forever. It's happening somewhere out there, but by the time we see it, it's already history. This means reality itself is like a movie with a delay. We're the audience, and the cosmos is playing reruns from different seasons all at once. And if that doesn't make you feel small yet, here's the kicker. When we send radio signals, like the first broadcasts from Earth a century ago, they travel into space at the speed of light. Right now, somewhere out there, an alien civilization 100 light-years away could be hearing our first crackly radio shows from the 1920s and thinking they're listening to our now. But in truth, they'd be hearing ghosts of our past, just like we see theirs in the stars. The night sky is beautiful, but it's also a cosmic lie. It's a graveyard of dead stars still shining, a scrapbook of light that has travelled across impossible distances just to reach you. Every star is a story, and most of them have already ended. So next time you step outside at night, look up. Let your mind wander beyond the shimmering illusion. Remember that you're standing in the present, but surrounded by the past. You're looking into a sky full of ghosts, and every single one has travelled across the universe to find you. If this made you see the universe differently, share it. Because somewhere, right now, someone you love is also looking up, and they deserve to know the truth.